Well, last 3 months has been very interesting because of COVID, and then of course with COVID, it's deteriorated the oil markets, pushing down the oil prices. So we've seen something unprecedented that we've never expected nor saw coming. It's devastated the market. With that, we've seen a big increase in vacancy rates, and we expect that to continue. And with that increase in vacancy rates, downward pressure on the overall lease rates. Well, tenants, it's more or less just hanging on. They're not making any big decisions in terms of the real estate. They want to find out what direction the market is going before they commit long term. We're seeing a lot of the tenants today request shorter term renewals on their leases and are pushing aside making a move today. So they want to find that certainty in the market, obviously riding through the COVID times and more stable oil prices. Landlords are looking to get the tenants in their building. So it comes down to how long that vacancy has been on the market. Landlords are requesting agents, what do we need to do to get this space leased up? And a lot of times they'll offer more incentives towards those tenants to move them into the building and or get a lot more aggressive on their lease rates, providing an option in the marketplace that may not have existed before. I think that the market is changing. The market is changing dramatically. Unfortunately, COVID will go away eventually when we receive a vaccine, but the oil prices may stay depressed for quite some time, which has had a huge impact on our market. Most companies, especially when they're oil and gas related, haven't been able to hang on. Some have done very well. The ones that have cash haven't been able to acquire new companies. But a lot of the product that we are seeing coming back into the market, unfortunately, has been from the misfortune of other companies that have to close their doors. So our vacancy will continue to rise, especially in the Nisku, Leduc, and Atchison markets, where it's more oil and gas related, providing opportunities for people that are looking to buy, which never existed before. We always had a lack of inventory when it comes to properties for sale on the market, which I think today will provide a lot of new opportunities. And on the leasing side, I think you're going to see opportunities open up again because you're going to see some of those companies shut their doors, increasing the vacancy rates. It will become a tenant's market where they'll have opportunities to get more aggressive on the lease rates, and you're going to see more of a flight to quality.